Nabtesco's precision reduction gears are used in the joints of industrial robots to get a large amount of torque from a small amount of power and enable the robots to make the precise movements. For our light, compact, and highly durable precision reduction gears, we have taken a top spot in the world market with a share of about 60%. Precision reduction gears are being more widely used beyond use in industrial robots. They are used in automatic tool changers, ATCs, or machine tools, welding positioners, and other factory automation equipment, as well as in wafer transportation systems used by semiconductor manufacturing plants. Nabtesco's products are displaying strength and agility. The development and design department improved product quality based on accumulated know-how and cutting-edge CAE analysis. As a specialist in the field of precision reduction gears, we will continue to take on challenges to make further progress, capitalizing on our long-accumulated underlying technologies.